Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the exact NET SDK for your project is installed. This provides the runtime and tooling. Once installed, open Visual Studio Code and install the C# extension, OmniSharp, which supplies language services and debugging. Make sure you open the project folder, not a single file, because the workspace context generates necessary config. Once those are in place, you're ready to generate, build, and launch assets, so VS Code can compile and run your C# app. You now configure the build-in debug loop. First, run .NET Restore in the integrated terminal so NuGet packages are retrieved. This prevents missing reference errors. Next, run .NET Build to surface compiler issues, address them before moving on. Then use the Run and Debug view to add a NET Core launch configuration. VS Code creates launch, JSON, and tasks. JSON, so pressing F5 both builds and launches your app. Make sure the pre-launch task is set to the build task. You finish by starting the app. Press F5 to build and attach the debugger, or press Ctrl plus F5 to run without debugging. While running, inspect the debug console and output for runtime exceptions and log messages so you understand behavior. If breakpoints don't hit, make sure symbols are loaded and build configuration is debug. If OmniSharp fails to load or shows wrong SDK, restart the extension and set the .NET path in settings. JSON to the correct SDK. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.